Today we are going to discuss about present continuous tense. Okay, chapter 6, present continuous tense on page number 56. The definition of the present continuous tense. What is present continuous tense? Present continuous tense is used to denote a continuing action at the time of speaking. What is the present continuous tense? It is used to denote a continuing action at the time of speaking. A continuing action at the time of speaking. So, we can say that action started in the past. The action is started in the past and it is still going on. That is present continuous tense. We talk about present continuous tense. The action is started in the past and still it is continuing. That is what it is saying, that a continuing action at the time of speaking. The action might have continued, started the past, but it is still continuing. That is we talking about the past continuous tense. Okay. So here, to form the present continuous, we use is, am, are plus verbs first form plus ing. So how can we form the present continuous tense? We use is, am, are plus verbs first form of the verb plus ing form. Okay, that's the present continuous tense. So we can say the action is started in the past and is still continuing. We use present continuous tense. So the next one is how can we form the sentences? For example, she is watching TV. She is your subject. Is auxiliary verb. Watching is the main verb and TV is the object or the complementary sentences. So we can say that is used with a singular subject. So is used with a singular subject. He is, she is, it is. Okay. So is used with a singular subject and am is used with a I am. Okay. Used with a I am. And are is used with a plural subject. You are, we are, they are. We can make the sentence with. Okay. So is used with a singular subject. Am is used with I and are is used with the plural subject. Okay, you, we, they. These are the plural form. Okay, we use present tense in any ongoing action. Any action in motion. So, any ongoing action we use the present continuous tense. Okay, so we can say that this is used with the singular subject. He is, she is, it is. Am is I am and we, they, you. With are is used with the plural subject. Okay. So here it is. And how to form an affirmative sentences in present continuous tense on page number 57. How to form an affirmative sentences in present continuous tense. She is watching television. It's an affirmative sentence. She. Here is the subject. Is the auxiliary verb. Watching is the main verb and television is the complement or the object. Now we can also make in present continuous tense negative sentences. How to make a negative sentences? You know it, no? We always add not to it. Add. Okay, not. She is not watching television. After the auxiliary verb, we always add not to the sentence, that is negative sentence. She is not watching television. We can also make interrogative sentences in present continuous tense. How can we make an interrogative sentence? Is she watching television? Is she watching television? Okay. And interrogative sentence also we can make. What is she doing? What is she doing? Or what is she watching? We can also make affirmative sentences, negative sentences and interrogative sentences. Okay. With the present continuous tense. Okay. So How can we form a present continuous tense? Is, am plus verb first form plus ing. That's the how to form the present continuous tense. Okay, and there is an exercises. I also have given the exercise in the previous videos. Thank you students for listening.